Dun, 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 dun. Xin chào các bạn, em tên là Julie Vũ. Như bữa nay em sẽ chỉ hết anh chị em làm cô răng muối. That's right folks, she is bilingual, bipolar,
and bisexual, bitch.
I may or may not be joking, but anyways, moving on. Welcome back to my kitchen. Sorry I had a little break there. I was just going through some things and I just needed some time off, but I'm back now, kind of. Today we are cooking crab, and the way that this crab is prepared is very Vietnamese, Chinese way of cooking the crab. It's called salt pepper crab, or in Vietnamese it's called cua rang muối. All right guys, say it with me now. Cua rang muối, which means salt pepper crab. I am so excited for today's video because this is like one of my favorite things to eat ever. For the ingredients, you need your Dungeness crab. I bought mine, it was $32, girl, so we feasting tonight, okay? You need your crab, you need some vegetable oil to cook and fry the crab. You'll need some cornstarch or potato starch. I was looking for potato, but corn works just as well. You'll need some red Asian shallots and garlic. I minced them up already. And then you'll need some spring green onions, red chilies. This is gonna add some flavor, kick in the taste buds. If you're not keen of like the spice, then opt out, but just a little bit won't kill you. Like you need this, girl. Like it's good, trust me. 1 egg, honey. I personally like to eat the crab by itself. Some people like to eat white rice, so you can prepare that on your end, but we're just having crab. Moving on to the spices. The most important thing about this whole dish is the spices, the flavoring, okay? It is called salt pepper crab for a reason, girl. So you need a tablespoon of salt. You need a teaspoon of the white pepper powder. All right, so you need a teaspoon of ginger powder. You need a half a teaspoon of the 5 spice powder, okay? And then a teaspoon of sugar. This I'm just adding on my own. This is not part of the ingredient. This is not supposed to be in it, but girl, you know I love butter, okay? This shit makes everything better. So I'm putting a little bit of butter into this dish just to give it more creamy, delicious. Oh, delicious. I can't explain it. Like it's so good. You gotta put butter in it. I don't know about you, girl, but I'm gonna put butter on everything. All right, so we have our crab. Excuse my nails. This quarantine has been tough on all of us. But I took the shell off and I kind of just chopped in the middle. And now we're gonna cut it up into smaller pieces, and then we're going to lightly dust it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of like just chop it like this. Okay. So we have pieces here, and then we're gonna put it into our big pot. And there you go. Girl, I don't dance, I work. So we have the crab legs like that. Now we're gonna put it into here. All right folks, we have our crab in here, and now we're gonna crack the egg and let it like kind of marinate a little bit. So when we dust on the cornstarch, it actually sticks onto it. Crack a egg. Okay, not to play with food. Boom. All right, and then I'm going to use my tongue and just gonna stir it up. All right, we're gonna give it a cute little toss, and then we're going to add in our cornstarch or potato starch, whatever starch you got, girl. We're gonna add a little bit more because I know that this is gonna like dust off when we put it into the pan over there, the wok. So let's just let it absorb a little bit. Kabam! There you go. What you want to do next is you want to put all of the spices together and mix it. So the sugar, the salt, the white pepper powder, the 5 spice, and what am I missing? Ginger powder. Boom. Okay, mix it up, have it ready on hand. Now we are going to put our wok on medium heat. Okay, doing a little choreo for you. And then you shall wait. Vegetable oil on medium heat, wait till it warms up, and then we are going to flash fry our crab legs. All right guys, I think it's ready now. I'm so freaking scared, y'all. Okay, let's do this. Woo! Okay. We're gonna flash fry it. We're gonna flip it after 3 minutes. Okay. Add in our crab legs, like so. Alright folks, after a few minutes you want to flip over the crab so it is evenly cooked. And then we're just going to take it out of the pan and then we're going to start on our spices and garlic and all that delicious. Alright guys, now I'm going to take it out of the... Alright, so now the wok is empty. We're going to add a little bit of vegetable oil, just a teeny bit. Because we're going to cook the garlic and shallots and all that stuff right now. I think I'm going to add a little bit of butter, but not quite yet. So let that warm up a little bit. I'm going to show you guys what we have here. Okay, oh my god, look at that. Looks so delicious. Girl. Minced garlic and Asian red shallots. We're going to add this in here. Okay, I'm going to use my hands. I'm sorry. Sing loy. Alright. And then we're going to like mix it up a little bit. And let it cook. Super important. It's going to be super fragrant. And oh, the smell. I wish you guys can smell this right now. It smells divine, okay? Once it starts to look a little bit golden, we can add in our crab, okay? So just give it like another 10 seconds to cook. And then we're ready to put the crab into the wok. The moment is here. We're gonna add in our crab, like that. Girl. Add the butter, okay? Oops. Unhealthy amount of butter. Casual. We're gonna get that melted in there. Oh, we love butter, honey. Butter just makes everything much better. Trust. Toss it like so. Now we're gonna add our spring green onions, just like that. Give it some color, and then a little bit of the red chilies. I don't think we're gonna put too much, but it also adds like this beautiful color to it as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do like a small pinch, like that. Maybe a little bit more, like that, okay? Now it's time for the spices. We're gonna sprinkle our mixed spices all over. Girl, okay? We're gonna give it a nice little stir. Alright guys, the heat is turned off. Let's plate this now. I'm gonna go ahead and just do it one by one, or maybe, yeah. Just like so. Oh. Oh my god, that looks so freaking delicious. Okay. Right, em mới làm xong, cô rang muối, nhìn thấy ngon, em muốn ăn bia. So, let's eat, okay? This is the finished dish, cô rang muối, salt pepper crab. I want you guys to try this. It is so good. Like, I know we love to sit there and eat like boiled crab, but girl, if you want flavor, you want crunch, you want spice, you have to try this recipe. I'm not even joking. You're gonna thank me, hello. But here you go. So delicious, can't believe it. All right guys, it's time for the taste test, okay? The most important thing. Does it look as good as it tastes? We're about to find out. Let me pick this piece here, okay? It's still really hot, but let's go for it. Oh my god. Ooh, spicy. Wow. Done. No, I need to be a chef now. Like, screw being a beauty person. I'm gonna be a chef, period. It's so good. Oh my god. Oh, it's hot. It's so good though. I'm so sad. Every time I cook something good, like there's no one else to like enjoy it. Be like, wow, you're such a good cook. So I hope you guys can take my word for it that it's really freaking delicious. Wow, cái món này Julie mới làm á, ngon thì càng ngon. Bây giờ em sẽ nhồi xuống khi em ăn cái này xong. Ok, cảm ơn nhiều anh chị em coi phim này của em, okay? Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. I'm gonna go devour this delicious plate of crabs now, and I will talk to you guys. I thought I saw someone for a second. I'm like, bitch, is there a ghost in my house? Girl, you want some crab too? No? Okay, well. Now on that note, I'm gonna go finish this plate of crabs. I'm starving. This is so delicious. Hopefully you guys will try this. Make it, impress your family, your loved ones, and anybody in your life. Bon appetit. Ăn ngon nhiều nha. Bye.